Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can import product from Aliexpress onto your Shopify website. So like dropshipping basically. For this tutorial, I'm going to use an external app which is completely free. So the way you can install that app first is by going here on the left hand side, apps. And then let's just search app and sales channel settings. And then just press on Shopify App Store. From here, I want you to search DSers. This one. This is the app we'll be using to import AliExpress product onto your Shopify website. So let's just install it right away. From here, you can see what the app has access to. Like you can view personal data, or maybe you can view and edit store data. Nevertheless, let's install. It'll prompt you to log in and authorize. So let's just confirm that. Great. Now that you have logged in and you have authorized, the way you can add products is by going here. Support supplier optimizer. Oh wait, no, sorry. Find suppliers. Here, this is basically just AliExpress on the app. You can search products from here as well, or you can just put in whichever product appear on the recommended here. A lot of bed sheets. I'm going to, for example, I want to import this one. This bed sheet with a cool pattern. The way you do it is by going here on the three dot with the three lines as well. Add to import list. And then it'll say imported. You can either check or you can stay on this page to browse more items, but I'm just going to check it right away. It's on here, import list. It's on the import list, but it's not going to be on your Shopify product just yet. If we see here, if I go back to my Shopify store and then I go on products, the bed sheets isn't here yet. The way you can import it to your Shopify is by pressing on this little icon here, push to store. Let's just press that. You can change the settings if you'd like, but I'm just going to push it as is. Let's just press push to stores. Now it's going to load. Give it a second, and once it hits 100%, it's going to be added to your Shopify store. Can we see here? Let's refresh. And there it is. Now your product is added onto your Shopify store. It's as easy as that.